If you've been looking into Power Blast Plus, you've probably seen some big promises. Better performance, more energy, improved confidence. But does it actually deliver, or is it just another supplement with clever marketing? Let's find out. Power Blast Plus is marketed as a natural male wellness supplement. According to its creators, it's designed to support energy, stamina, and overall performance using a blend of herbal ingredients. On paper, it sounds promising. But the real question is whether those claims hold up in everyday use. One thing I liked is that the formula focuses on ingredients that are commonly found in similar supplements. While some of these ingredients have been studied individually, it's important to remember that results can vary from person to person. No supplement works the same for everyone. Another positive is that the capsules are easy to take. The manufacturer also provides basic usage instructions, making it simple for first-time users. However, don't expect overnight results. Products like this usually require consistent use over several weeks before you notice any changes, if you notice any at all. On the downside, there isn't a huge amount of independent scientific research specifically on Power Blast Plus itself. Most of the evidence relates to the individual ingredients rather than the finished product. That's something worth keeping in mind before making a purchase. As for whether it's a scam, I wouldn't automatically call it one. It appears to be a real product that's being sold to consumers. However, that doesn't mean it's guaranteed to work for everyone. Be cautious of exaggerated marketing claims or testimonials that sound too good to be true.